Okay, back to what I was saying just a minute ago. For the TracTive suspension, these right here, they will go on the forks. I hope there's two. There is two. Yep. That is great. Look at that. Look how it matches the bike. Look how the gold, the orange and the black, and that'll go right around that right there. Right below where you see where it says KTM. Well, right on that fork right there, that'll go wrap around there. I hope I do a good job putting it on because that looks pretty good. That's a high quality like sticker. That'll look really good. And you know, that's the art of suspension. And that alone will help set it apart and or even got these smaller decals. Yeah, they may go into some places. And I may, trick it out a little bit. And look at this. Oh yeah, there's. Oh well, on my. So I'm either going to have 4 videos and stuff. Look at that. Oh well, I could put that on there. And that's more of a paper. That may go in different places. I don't know where I may put that. I don't know. I know those should get wrapped around the the shock, the forks right there, the fork housings. That would be good. Put those, wrap that around there. Yeah, I don't like the way it's bent up. That'll be might want to try to peel its way off too. So I should kind of set it, roll it in something, and put it in something where it keeps it kind of curved in before I put it on. Yeah, it'd probably be all right. Put a little heat to it or something like that. Now that feels good. I think that'll last. That'll look good on my forks. Put that on my forks. Wrap it around there. TracTive. And I might do something like. I know it's got all these little, some people might want to be a little more reserved on their, advertisements, I could put, actually I could do this and let's see how this would look. This would probably look better. Well, I could do it either way. Let's look at something on this. Try to, I feel like doing something like, RS would be really good. And then I could do something like this, how that's kind of running this way, this kind of running this way, TracTive, or I don't know. Let me know, maybe up in here. Let me know, and this would be a little too big. I think depends on what it's gonna look like around here. If that doesn't look good, I'll probably end up putting something like, this on it, straight ahead, but it's hard to say. I'll figure out something, but I do know maybe for now, I think I will put something that won't look good there. I don't think so. The skinny one, the small one, and something like this. What do you think? Bring it up, or have about the same. I don't want to be like, hey, that's a TracTive bike. No, it is attractive, but yeah, TracTive RS. Yeah. Yeah. So that's, some people have certain little names they give their bikes. A little RS right across. That got me. I even was ordering the KTM 890 Adventure R, and then I saw this, and I told Tony, I said, "Can I get this instead?" Sure. So that's what's great about working with the guys at Commonwealth Motorcycles in Louisville, Kentucky. They treat you great, man. You go in there, you make you feel special, warm and fuzzy, and there's no pressure. And it felt like I had to talk them into letting me buy that one. I had to have that bike. That was crazy, really, that's a lot of fun. I'm on heel up ankle. Anyway, I don't know. But I've been riding it lately. I've been riding it quite a bit. My legs have gotten a whole lot better. And when I come to a stop, it's just, you know, it's like I want to drop the right foot down, but I usually use the right foot for brake, of course. But when I hit the left foot down and I'm leaning a little over on one side, my ankle lets me know in a hurry what happened. Like I said, I had an injury a little over a year ago on my left ankle. Cracked it pretty good. But this right here, man, this thing, it is so light. I mean, I can lift it up with 2 fingers and pull it over, you know. Now, this is, granted, it has a lower center of gravity than most bikes this size, but this right here feels like, after riding this, it feels like this is nothing. This is no weight. It's like, you know, yeah, a cardboard motor. Yes, and it turns into a stick of dynamite when you give it a twist of the throttle. Anyway. And then, yeah, this one here will just send you into the landscape after it, you know, after you give it a good amount of throttle. And anyway, there it is right there. This one right here, and we'll be getting ready for the ride when I replace the fork cartridges with the new front fork suspension from TracTive. And I got the rear shock already on it. And again, you know, it's got all the adjustments. It's got 2 more adjustments, you know, high speed, low speed compression. Where am I at? Oh, it's on the, yeah, there it is. There they are. Ooh, hi there. Mm-hmm. That's a, and look at it. Look at the color. It's gold. I mean, it's copper. Or not copper, it's orange. I don't see any copper for. It's yeah, kind of a copper. That's more orange than anything. Yeah. Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Then I'm gonna do a little video of this right here. This is really nice. This is, you get this KTM Power Sports. The ones for the new bikes, you don't have to no longer drill the hose to put that bottom plastic thing on there like you used to. It comes where you just, you know, you just pull the little release down here, drop it, clicks it on. Actually, you snap it on after you put the fuel tank top ring on it, little gas tank bag ring. It's pretty easy how that thing goes on. And there it is right there. KTM 890 Adventure. I want to say R. Instead, I'll just say, I know I say R for so much. Anyway, that's my rally sport. I'll just call it that.